Product development is such an integral part of bringing any product to market, and there's a couple of key components. One is actually the product itself, right? How do you determine the right rate, the right timing, the right application, which crops, what is your target market? A close second is obviously regulatory. So once you start to define which crops, which states, which market opportunities, you really need to hone in on what does the regulatory path look like for your product. I think commonly, we oftentimes will spend a lot of time thinking about developing that product, rightfully so. Challenges though is that if you have a kind of a scattered approach to that product development, you don't have that consistent focus, you don't have that consistent protocol, you're unable to really learn about that product and really fine tune that product as you get closer to market or as you hope to get closer to market. I think some of the biggest challenges companies face as they bring this out is they want to get to the field too early. The challenge gets to be is if that is a bad experience with a grower, it's very hard to overcome that. That is why it's such an important component to take the right diligent steps and focused approach through product development to make sure that you have all your I's dotted, T's crossed as you start to bring that product into the marketplace. From our experience here at AgriAuthority, we've learned a couple of key things. One is, what is the solution you're trying to provide for that grower or for that customer? So have you defined where that product may fit best and what solution you're actually providing for that grower? I think the second component is really sticking to a strong focus. So what are the crops that you're initially wanting to test on? Many companies oftentimes will spend way too much time testing a vast variety of crops and then not having the answers that they're looking for in any specific crop. As you go to market, the other component that you really want to stay focused on is really around providing that return on investment for the grower. So how do you measure success in a meaningful way that you can take and translate into a marketing message as you get closer to market? And then finally, just consistency, right? Consistency in approach from a trial perspective, consistency in approach from a rate, application, timing, and really trying to make sure that it fits into that current paradigm of what growers are currently doing.